Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn three powerful UI features you don't need JavaScript for. So let's get started. Why reduce JavaScript? Imagine your website as a sprinter. Every extra KB of JavaScript is like a weight. West, sure it's a strong, but you need to brute force for everything. Here's why less JS is often better, like faster page load times, reduced browser re-renders, fewer breaking points. JS errors can crash your app, but the CSS not. Better SEO and the accessibility is the maintenance. So let's explore the real scenarios where CSS alone is powerful enough, no JavaScript needed. So that is drop down menu with hover, and the second one is that the tabbed interface with the checked, and the last one that is the creator Instagram like horizontal scroll effect with snapping. So here you can see that which I have created, like here you can see just scrolling like this. So it's like very smooth without the help of the JavaScript. So here you can see that we have a scroll container and the scroll snap type. Okay, so here we have added and the scroll snap align. Okay, and here we have the scroll container. Okay, so this is very easy that you can use it. Okay, and the first two, that is for the drop down menu, it's very easy. You have to go with the navigator. So without the help of the JS we can do the hover effect. Okay, so here we have hover. Just add this style over here. Let's save it, let's run it, and here you can see that on hover it opening. Okay, you can add the animations whatever after this, so you can add it. Use case, switch between the tabs without JavaScript. So when we have the tabs, so you can use without JavaScript, otherwise we are using. So it's very easy again. So we can do it without the JavaScript, just add the tabs, and here we go with our CSS. Okay, so here we have the CSS. Let's add it and let's see. Let's reload it, and here we have the tabs and it's working fine. Okay, so you can use like this without the help of the JavaScript. Okay, so the final thoughts: when use JavaScript, use JS only when the CSS can't do the job well. Dynamic updates, live announcements, form validation, complex state management. Final thoughts: JavaScript is powerful, but you don't need a hammer for every task. Okay, so use CSS for UI toggles, animations, layout tricks, scroll snapping, tooltip, display. Okay, so these are the three things that I hope you understand. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.